Hi everybody, it's your favorite guy, Mohammed, and this is my better half, Sophia. And it's not a topic that I'm very gleeful about talking, but I think we need to talk about it. By the way, orange tea. Tastes good, smells good, exactly like how it should taste and smell. Regardless, this is not a tea review. When we first started the company, once in a while we would get these emails, and they would be threatening emails from paying customers. They are not happy about something in the product, they want a replacement, and the threat is like a hostage letter in a way.
If you don't do so and so and so, I'm going to leave you a bad review.
And they explain to us how it's going to make us look bad. So basically, either they've done this before
or they could have had a bad experience with another company before.
And actually, that is what I even mean to say. Sophie, you need to come closer to talk to the mic.
Like talk into your shirt.
Yes.
I think we can share the mic. Okay. Thank you.
Actually, it's not a customer's fault because chances are they've been seasoned in that way that most companies don't do the right thing unless and until they are threatened. And I always feel sad that when somebody sends us this letter, like it's not like we are a company that is filled with robots. We always do the right thing regardless of whether you are going to leave us a good review or a bad review. So next time you have a complaint from Lil Helper or anything that you want us to fix, whatever it is, if it is something that we can do, we are going to do the right thing regardless. And it is the right thing, you know why?
What do you mean, why do we do the right thing? Because it's the right thing to do.
Simple and straightforward.
1 second.
Yeah.
Why are you wearing glasses?
Because I was crying. I have an image to maintain, and
Crying why?
because of this bad review threat. I don't like being threatened. I'm easily threatened anyways.
Oh, the joys. On those times when I'm bored out of my mind or frustrated, I'll go hide behind a door and then jump at it. It makes me roll over. It's crazy.
This is Zara. Say hi, Zara.
Hello.
This has become a family video. So next time you have a complaint or something that we need to fix, no need to threaten us. Just tell us what the problem is and we'll fix it.
Send them just a message.
One message, and that's all it is.
There's like a team of people starting to work to make things better.
Exactly.
Can someone tell me what's going on?
We are making a video, Zara, and you just walked in.
Video bombed us.
You video bombed us. Anyways, if you leave us a bad review, we have thousands and thousands of reviews. It's not going to do anything to the reputation of Lil Helper, but it is going to keep us up at night knowing that we couldn't fix a customer's problem. That is really the big issue over here. For us, we really do care about our customers. With everything we do, you can kind of see it, from the God forbid guarantee to the Baby Do Good program. So, next time you have an issue, let us solve the problem because it's going to make us feel better about ourselves. We get the point. Next time you see me wearing these glasses, you know that I'm sad, okay? I won't even...
He's been crying his eyes out the entire night. Stop it, Mohammed.
Okay, guys. Have a good day. Talk to you soon. If you are watching this on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. If you're on Facebook, make sure to leave us a like and a comment. Let us know if you need to know anything else about our company. Take care. Bye.
Bye.